At the downtown Fulton County Courthouse, outside law enforcement agencies are forbidden to bring their weapons into the complex. Given that requirement, an Atlanta officer was shocked to see a private security officer waved through that checkpoint area with his firearm on his hip.
It was no mistake that access is granted all the time for certain security, as Fox 5's Morse Diggs explains in this exclusive report.
Unlike my business dress, when a law enforcement officer puts work clothes on, the uniform, well, then everybody knows what they do. And they always like to have their gun with them. Now, upon entering the courthouse, if they're instructed that they'll have to unholster their weapon and put it inside to be locked up, it makes them feel uncomfortable, unsafe, and potentially unable to effectively intervene should something break out bad inside.
When tragedy happens, as we saw with Brian Nichols, it's devastating.
A former Fulton County prosecutor was on the floor when an inmate named Brian Nichols overpowered not one but two deputies and killed 3 inside the courthouse back in 2005.
Myself and my trial partner, we were intended targets of Mr. Nichols.
Police officers who enter the complex have that memory too. But the rule from the sheriff is there can be no outside police weapons. Police officers are given a card to retrieve their property, their gun, once their court business is wrapped up.
Every police officer I know would expect to be allowed to carry their firearm. Emotions can run high in a courthouse, and police officers are in uniform. They're very visible.
Now look closely at this gentleman. He is armed private security and was waved right through. It is little known inside the courthouse that an armored truck officer sent there to collect money can keep his access to his weapon.
I don't see how you can allow a private security guard to have a firearm and not have law enforcement carrying firearms. I think if all things were equal and it had to be one or the other, yes, I would be more comfortable with trained law enforcement having access to their firearms.
Sheriff Patrick Labatt says a deputy is supposed to escort the financial security guard, but on the day these pictures were snapped, no escort was evident and the individual was tracked all the way. A retired APD officer noted that should the guard get into some kind of trouble inside the courthouse, who would come to his aid, given that the armed deputies are inside the chambers?
It is a bad policy to disarm fully trained police officers while in uniform.
Now, retired Officer Strout suggests that the sheriff and the district attorney get together and review this whole policy about weapons inside the building. From downtown Atlanta, I'm Morse Diggs, Fox 5 News.